Simba, Lea.
A parade.
Oh, no. The Dawn Patrol again.
Pero
Oh, the aim of our patrol is a question rather droll. For to march and drill over field and hill is a military goal. Is a military goal. 2, 3, 4, president. 2, 3, 4, by the ranks of single file. Over every jungle mile. Always stand and press through the underbrush.
In the military style.
In a military style.
Hello. What are you doing? Shh. Drilling. Can I do it too? Sure. Just do what I do. But don't talk in rings. It's against regulations.
ok,
March!
The other way. Turn around.
2, 3, 4, keep it up. 2, 3, 4. To the rear. Oh! Company, out!
That means stop.
Company, left face.
Notch, notch, notch. My feet are killing me. I'm putting in for a transfer to another herd.
Silence in the ranks. Dress up that line. Put it in, Winifred. Inspection! Pirates!
Stick your nose out. Like this. That's right.
A dusty muzzle. Soldier, remember in battle that trunk can save your life. Take good care of it, my man. Yes, sir. Very good. Carry on. Let's have a little more spit and polish on those bayonets. Yes, sir. Esprit de corps. That's the way I earned my commission in the Maharaja's 5th Packard Brigade. Back in '88, it was, what was it?
Here it comes. The Victoria Cross bit again.
It was then I received the Victoria Cross for bravery above and beyond the call of duty. Ha ha! Those were the days. Discipline. Discipline was the thing. Builds character. All that sort of thing, you know. It, where was I? Oh, yes, inspection. Well, pretty good. Wipe off that silly grin, soldier. This is the army. Eyes front. Lieutenant, that haircut is not regulation. Rather on the gaudy side, don't you think? There, that's better. And as for you... Oh, there you are. Let's keep those heels together, shall we, son?
Okay, Pop. Sir.
Yes, well, that's better. Well, new recruit, eh? They say, what happened to your trunk?
Hey, stop that!
A man cop! Oh, this is treason!
Leo San
No
Juan.
man cop in my jungle!
It's not your jungle.
Hold it, hold it! I can explain, Hardy. Colonel Hardy, if you please, sir.
Oh, yes. Colonel Hardy. The man cub is with me. I'm taking him back to the man village.
To stay,
You have the word of Bagheera.
good. And remember, and never forget.
Cha mi amor, eres león.
I want the army coming with these days. The young whippersnappers, they are. Let's get on with it. Right face.
Bunnies.
Just forgot our son.
Son! Son! Oh, yes, quite right. To the rear march!
When I grow up, I'm gonna be a colonel, just like my...
I've told you once, I've told you 1,000 times.
Pop! Look out! Gee, Pop, you forgot to say halt.